Today we rise, today we stand, for every worker across our land. From islands wide to Port Vila town, Vanuatu hands will not back down. Before the sun climbs over the sea, someone wakes for family. A mother walks, a father prays, working hard through long hot days. From the garden to the marketplace, from the classroom to the building place, from the nurse who serves with care to the driver moving everywhere. Every hand only got one story, every sweat only got one name, every walkman only got him glory. Molly stop, open them road, blong future, blong Vanuatu. Labor Day, we remember hands that build, hearts that serve. Labor Day, we stand together, giving honor workers deserve. From the village to the sea, from the mountains to the sea, work with purpose, work with dignity. Longer, Yumi Wok Tugeta. This day is more than a resting time. It reminds us why we climb, for fair pay and safety too, for honest work in all we do, for teachers shaping young minds strong, for builders working all day long, old police, old VMF, more brave nurses, for every life they help to save. He no got one walk, with him is small too much. Time you commit him hard, blong you, by all good follow up. You me no savvy, forget him, wet him. Discipline, fetch more unity, you me start building history. Blong Vanuatu. Labor Day, we remember hands that build, hearts that serve. Labor Day, we stand together, giving honor workers deserve. From the village to the city, from the mountains to the sea, work with purpose, work with dignity. Long God, Yumi Wok Tugeta, Yumi Wok, long wamba ikasim santu, tanamale kula mo pentecostu, shefa, torba, penama, tafea, malampa, torba, mosan matu. Every island only got bird, blong make him no more shame in honest labor. You me no mash and blong work, you me no mass fright back again. With them all strong heart, all big fellas have a blong. You me save it and them all challenge, only come strength, blong you me. To the youth, hear this call, your future way